No way. You don't know that? Okay. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to pass a string in a number, string format, to a integer, int or integer. Let's do it. It's pretty easy. And then we're gonna see how to treat it, because it can give us error when you try to do that. Let's do string be a input that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to pass, I have an int that I will count number, that will be the string change. We need to pass that string to a integer. We can use simple, come here and use Integer.parseInt, and then we pass the input as parameter. The system will do everything for it, so we don't need to worry. We can come here and do a system out print and print number. Now we have the number in integer, int format. Pretty simple. But what's happening if I put a letter in here? That's not, and don't look there. Boom. I need to save it. Break the system. Give me a specific exception. I can treat using try catch or using maybe match, because input has a method. Let's see, input dot matches, and then in here I can pass a regular expression, a simple expression, but in here I want to check if all numbers. I can do this and G plus. If I put it inside the if, I can check if it's all numbers. I will do check. If it's not all numbers, I can just return. If not, so I need to put exclamation at the front to make it if not. Negate. Okay. If I run it, because the return here, I'm gonna leave the method without break the system. Now didn't break because we have a letter here. If I remove the letter, you can see it's okay, it's working, it's not breaking the system anymore. Now I'm gonna teach you other way to do that. Try catch, simple, basic. You could put a specific exception, but I will leave the basic exception over there. We can system out error print. So change the color and say, oh, it's an error, get message. Now let's put everything in here inside of your try. When you run, you're gonna pass, okay, because it doesn't have any different characters, all int. Now what's happening? Send a message. We can see this message coming from here. Error. Let's save again and run. As you can see, throw a exception for us and doesn't break the system, just throw the exception. We could do other thing here, but this is how you pass input to an integer. Very simple. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, give me this pleasure. Subscribe now and help me to grow this channel, to bring more in more and more content for you. I'm thinking focusing only in Java. I don't know yet. Give me your opinion. I want to maybe help people to go to the marketplace. So change a little bit. I was my initial idea was making tutorials. But I think it will be more helpful if I make something specific to the marketplace, so we can code with purpose. What do you think? Let me know, comments below in here, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.